Tina Blaine's gang, welcome back to another video. Today I have some skincare products to review. We are using the Mario Badescu skincare, and this is the dry and combo kit. So I never used this one before, but I am a big fan of the Mario Badescu rose water. It works really well, like just to give your face like a little boost of like moisture, or to even use under and on top of your makeup. So I need to get some more. As you can see, it's like barely anything in there, but my skin has been very dry, and honestly I feel like it needs a new skincare routine. The old one I was using is no longer working, so we're gonna try her out. Alright, so step one is the Seaweed Cleanses soap. Actually, let's open it up. So this is how it comes. Okay, so in the kit, this is how it's gonna come. Oops. You know, hopefully your stuff don't fall out like mine. And this is the lotion that fell out. Is this the lotion? Yes, the lotion. It's so cute. Okay, so we first have here is the Seaweed Cleansing soap. This is how it comes. We avoid some glare for you guys. And then we have the Seaweed Cleansing Lotion. This is step 2. They recommend that you use this step 2 cleansing lotion twice a day. So I will be doing that twice a day because I need my skin to get back on track. Then we have the lotion. And what's also cool about this kit is that it came with a facial mask, which is great. And a little bonus that they threw in is an eye cream. I honestly was never really a fan of eye cream because I just thought it was for people like older people when you have bags and circles and all that. But I'm not even that old, and my dark circles are like raccoon eyes. So eye cream has become a part of my regimen, so I will be using this little bonus size eye cream from Mario Badescu. So let's get started. I'm already in the bathroom, so I'm gonna wash my face real quick and then come back on here, I guess, and put the soap on. Let's pull this hair back first. Oh no, like a lunch lady. Shout out to all the lunch ladies. You guys are awesome. Okay, we only have to put it in once. I'm actually a cute lunch lady. Okay, let me rinse my face real quick. Be back. Okay, so I just rinsed my face with some water. I find that using paper towels is actually good. It's actually a great way to keep your face clean. When you use a regular like washcloth towel, like say this one, when you use a regular washcloth towel like this one every single day, those germs from the previous day is still on the towel. But at least with the paper towel, this is a new clean paper towel, so you know, just a little pro tip. So I'm just gonna tap like some of the excess water off. And here is the cleansing soap. With this brand particularly, and I found with other brands where it's like really good product, you do not need a lot, like legit. Alright, I'm gonna just squeeze out that much and see how much it cleanses. I recommend, ooh. I was reading some reviews and people said they don't like how it smells. I actually like how it smells. Try to be gentle. Okay. Now let's rinse. Alright, so I just finished rinsing off the Seaweed Cleansing Soap. So I'm going to take my paper towel and just pat away. This is like a clean paper towel. Okay. And we're going to dive in with the Enzyme Revitalizing mask. That's fine. Has like a little protective thing on it. Oops. Well, might as well start. So my mask is set, ready to go. So I'm gonna let this sit for 20 minutes. That's what it says on the box. So after 20 minutes, I'll be back and we'll finish off the rest of the routine. Next step, toning. And this toner is, one good thing about this toner is that it has witch hazel in it, which hazel definitely will help with these dark spots that I have. So yeah, they recommend to use a cotton ball. So I got a cotton ball. Hold on. Put it on. Apply to skin after cleansing and toning. If product gets into eyes, rinse well with water. They said I would mostly everything besides the eye cream. So like I said before, you only need about that much. That will cover your whole face, guaranteed. Just keep it on your fingertips. I like to dab. Put it on. So after we do that, I just like, when I'm working with eye cream, I like to just take my paper towel and just wipe that off my fingertips, because I know eye cream doesn't have no scent. This is the eye cream. Hold on. This is the eye. And this is how it looks inside. How it looks like a lip balm or something. And I'm just gonna use my pinky. Put it on. The eye cream feels so good. Like, I kid you not. This, I mean, I don't know, it's my first time using it, but I could say the way how it's really like moisturize my eyes. I would recommend it. I am ready to go and start my day now, since my face is all washed and ready to go. I'm about to go out and run a couple errands, so hopefully my face stays moisturized, because right now it feels amazing. I feel like I went to the spa and got a facial. I will update, because they said to use this mask 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. So I'm gonna drop the video today, the 1st, and then on the 14th I'll make another video, and then you guys will really see if it worked within that 2-week radius. Okay, so it's been real, guys. As always, spread love, peace, and happiness everywhere, and keep that skin cute. Like, I really hope that this will be my next holy grail. It's a wrap. Peace out. I'm back with my 2-week update on the Mario Badescu Kit, and I feel like it definitely did its job. My skin is more hydrated, less impurities, and it's just looking amazing. Besides my dark eyes, I've been working so hard. That's why I'm like, let me just stop and record this video while my skin looks extra good. And yeah, go check them out. Mario Badescu. I'll link it down below. Get you one. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. Especially if you have dry combination skin. Hope you love this video. Give it a thumbs up.